How to increase the speed of our Wi-Fi networks. In this video tutorial, we will explain step-by-step instructions on how to speed up your Wi-Fi and mobile data network. We're going to do 2 in 1. We're going to make our internet connection work when we enter any network. Social media, watching any video, watching a movie, or suddenly watching. Download any game and let's make that much faster than. We're going to increase our speed to be able to use and always be able to navigate as easily as possible. What are we going to do in this video tutorial? Well, the recommendation is always to watch the video step by step so you don't miss any details and we can find a solution for this recovery. Let's go to the settings section here and look for the following. We're not going to use the Wi-Fi network here. We'll leave it as it is. What we're going to do is head towards down below where it says about the phone. Let's select this option. We're going to cover this up and look further down where it says software information. Here's some software information. Sorry, let's select software information now. Yes, here we will select the build number. Let's look for it here, build number. Here we can see that it indicates we are going to enable the developer option. This tells us that we are now in developer mode. Now we go back and up towards. Up here we'll see the developer mode option. So what do we have to do to make this work? In order to speed up our Wi-Fi network and mobile data, well, what we're going to do is go down. We're going to scroll down here and look for the options where everything appears. Information about our mobile data and what our Wi-Fi network is. We're going to go down here. We're in this function. We're going to enable this very important feature. We will enable. Let's see. Let's activate this here as well. Here we're going to select this one and place it here where it says 15 megabytes. Let's see. Let's go down. Let's go to the last options. Here we will enable these functions. Let's look for these functions that appear here. It should appear here. Where are they? Where are they? Here they are. We're going to place them from our phone a little so our internet is smoother. We're going to turn off all these scales because it's very important. It was on an X here. This shows us the difference from the state of our phone, including whether we turn it off. Our device would be even faster if you saw it, so you could enter and open any device tab so we can use our Wi-Fi network and our mobile data plus fast. Let's go in here. It seems to be outdated here. We can log in to see our network and our videos run more smoothly. It charges well over 100%.